Let's briefly discuss all the important current affairs of this week. Which team has become the new champion of Ranji Trophy 2022 in M. Chinnaswamy Stadium of Bangalore? The right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Where has Union Minister Piyush Goyal inaugurated the Mango Festival? The right answer is option D, Brussels of Belgium. Who has been appointed as the new DG of Intelligence Bureau? The right answer is option A, Tapan Kumar Deka. Which union territory will host the 2023 meeting of the G20 summit? The right answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Which organization has granted the candidature of Ukraine, Moldova and Georgia? The right answer is option A, European Union. Which nation has conducted its first successful satellite launch using a domestically developed rocket, Nuri? The right answer is option B, South Korea. World's largest freshwater fish has been caught from which river? The right answer is option C, Mekong of Cambodia. Which airport has become the first airport of India to run entirely by renewable power from June 2022? The right answer is option C, Delhi. Who has been appointed as the new president of India International Center? The right answer is option A, Shyam Saran. According to Nielsen IQ data, which is the largest sunflower oil selling brand in India? The right answer is option C, Freedom. Union government has collaborated with which bank to create an integrated pension portal? The right answer is option B, State Bank of India. Forest Department of which state has discovered a rare carnivorous plant, namely Ultricolaria forcelata, in the Mandal Valley of Western Himalayan region? The right answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Who has been honored with Golden Achievement Award recently for the year 2021? The right answer is option A, Vijaya Amritraj. Supreme Court of which country has banned the women's constitutional right for abortion? The right answer is option B, USA. When is World MSME Day celebrated? The right answer is option C, 27 June. Sydney McLaughlin of which country has broken the world record in the 400-meter hurdles recently for the third time? The right answer is option D, USA. Which Ministry of Union Government is planning to launch One Health approach in Bangalore? The right answer is option B, Ministry of Fisheries and Animal Husbandry. Where has G7 summit been hosted? The right answer is option D, Schloss-Elmau of Germany. The public transport service MoBus of which state has been honored by United Nations Public Service Award recently? The right answer is option A, Odisha. Which state government has launched the scheme Medisafe for the state government employees to provide medical assistance of up to 3 lakhs per year? The right answer is option D, Kerala. Who has become the winner of Miss India Worldwide 2022? The right answer is option B, Khushi Patel. NASA has successfully finished its first commercial spaceport rocket launch from which foreign country? The right answer is option B, Australia. Tokyo Olympian Deepak Punia has won which medal in Under 23 Asian Wrestling Championship at Bishkek of Kyrgyzstan? The right answer is option C, bronze. Which union minister has informed that the central government is going to start One Nation One Dialysis program very soon? The right answer is option A, Mansukh Mandavia. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of CBDT? The right answer is option B, Nitin Gupta. Indian women's recurve team has won which medal in Archery World Cup Stage 3 2022 at Paris? The right answer is option B, silver. India with which nation will create a joint Commonwealth Diplomatic Academy program? The right answer is option B, England. who has approved a loan of $250 million for road safety program of India? The right answer is option D, World Bank. When is National Statistic Day observed? The right answer is option C, 29 June. Where has United Nations Ocean Conference 2022 started on 27 June 2022? The right answer is option C, Lisbon of Portugal. Chief Minister of which state has resigned on 29 June 2022? The right answer is option A, Maharashtra. The tenure of Attorney General of India K.K. Venugopal has been extended by how many months? The right answer is option A, 3 months. Who has imposed a penalty of 7 crore rupees on National Stock Exchange and 5 crore each on Chitra Ramkrishna and Ravi Varanasi in the dark fiber case? The right answer is option D, SEBI. An Olympic medalist, veteran, legend sportsperson Borinder Singh of India has passed away recently. He is related to which game? The right answer is option A, hockey. DRDO with which defense wings has successfully tested indigenously developed anti-tank guided missile at KK range in Ahmednagar of Maharashtra? The right answer is option A, Indian Army. Justice Satish Chandra Sharma has taken oath as the Chief Justice of which High Court on 28 June 2022? The right answer is option D, Delhi. Which Union Minister has launched e-learning portal Dak Karmayogi recently? The right answer is option C, Ashwini Vaishnav. Where has Tata Power commissioned India's largest floating solar power project? The right answer is option D, Kayamkulam of Kerala. West African nations Gabon and Togo has joined with which international organization? The right answer is option B, Commonwealth. Which veteran English cricketer has declared retirement recently from all forms of international cricket? The right answer is option C, Ian Morgan. Who has become the new Chief Minister of Maharashtra? The right answer is option B, Eknath Shinde. 3 satellites of which foreign country have been launched through the PSLV C-53 mission by ISRO from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota? The right answer is option B, Singapore. Who has inaugurated the world's largest innovation center technology hub phase 2 in Hyderabad? The right answer is option C, K. Chandrasekhar Rao. According to recently released Knight Frank report, how many cities of India are placed in top 20 sustainable city of India Pacific region? The right answer is option D, 4. The cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center has authorized which 2 Indian private space startups? The right answer is Dhruva Space of Hyderabad and Digantara of Bengaluru. Where has India successfully tested the indigenously designed high-speed expandable aerial target Abhayas? The right answer is option A, Chandipur. When is International Asteroid Day observed? The right answer is option B, 30 June. Which countries have applied to join in the BRICS group? The right answer is option D, Iran and Argentina. Who has been appointed as the captain of Indian Test cricket team for the rescheduled 5th test against England? The right answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Number 10. Which country has offered 75 fully funded scholarship for Indian students to study in his country? The right answer is option A, Britain. When is GST Day celebrated in India? The right answer is option A, 1st July. Neeraj Chopra has won which medal in Diamond League meet at Stockholm? The right answer is option B, silver. Where has India's first flight of autonomous flying wing successfully tested? The right answer is option D, Chitradurga. NASA has launched Capstone mission to moon from which foreign country? The right answer is option A, New Zealand, who has become the first player in tennis to win 80 matches in all 4 Grand Slam. The right answer is option C, Novak Djokovic. When is National Doctors Day observed? The right answer is option A, 1st July. Which state government is planning to issue family card to identify the families having any government or private sector employees? The right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Where has the world famous car festival taken place? The right answer is option B, Puri. Single-use plastic has come into force from 1st July 2022 in which country? The right answer is option D, India, who has approved Google's proposal on acquisition of a minor stock in Bharti Airtel. The right answer is option B, CCI. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more update daily current affairs. Don't forget to press the bell button.